Hello everyone, here's a very straightforward hack, I will call it, for the Tesla Model Y rear door security latch. Normally this thing is hidden underneath this plastic covering, which is very hard to reach, and supposedly there's a tab where you can grab and pull this off, and then you're gonna have to go inside. Let me show you here. Grab this thing, but it's gonna be hard to grab it. Here's a tab, but seriously, if you don't know it is there, under emergency situations, say it's a fire or smoke, whatever, God knows how long it's gonna take you to find it and take this one off. Then what you need to do, you're gonna have some kind of nail to open this tab and reach down to grab that cable right there, the white one. The problem is it's very low, and you're gonna have to reach down there and grab it, then the door will open. So a simple loop by the zip tie, tie it right below this foam thing, okay, like that. See the zip tie right here? Now you can pull it. Okay, so when you close it, just snap like that, snap like that, let it sit. Okay, put this guy back in here. So nothing fancy. Okay, you can still put your cups in there. Next time, God forbidden, grab this right here. Okay, take this off, grab this guy, bang, it's right there. You can pull this directly. Easy enough.